Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva, standard 10th state board mathematics. Already we completed exercise number 1.1 first sum. Now I continue with the second sum of the same exercise. Second sum question, let a equal to 1, 2, 3 and b equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10, find a cross b and b cross a. Here they given the A set in roster form and they given B set in the set builder form. So, with this set builder form we can't able to get the Cartesian product. So, first we have to change the set builder form in form of a roster form, then only we can able to frame it as a Cartesian product. First I will write the given thing, given A set as 1, 2, 3, B set they given x such that x is a prime number. So, what are all the prime numbers? Prime numbers means it can be divisible by the same number and 1. We consider that number as prime number. So, the prime number less than 10, that prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Are you clear children? So, first we have to write the given set A set, B set, then we have to proceed with this A cross B and B cross A cross product, A cross B. First you will write the A set 1, 2, 3 cross, then I will write the B set 2, 3, 5, 7. We need to write the cross product for the given two sets. So, cross product already I explained, first element in the first set with this each and every element of the second set. So, make it as a pair 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then with the second element with each and every element of the second set 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then third element with each and every element of the second set 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, then 3, 7. So, which is the cross product of these two sets A cross B completed. Then we have to proceed with our B cross A. They told you to find the B cross A also. So, next B cross A. For B cross A, first we have to write the B set. Our B set is 2, 3, 5, 7 cross our A set given in the question is 1, 2, 3. Then get the cross product. First we will take the first element in the first set 2. With this 2 we have to pair each and every element in the second set 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then to take the second element which is 3, pair with each and every element in the second set 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Then take the third element 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Then take the fourth element 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. So, here we can finalize with this question answer as A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but number of element in A cross B. What the number of element you got in A cross B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 number of elements we get in this number A cross B. Same number of elements we get in this B cross A also. So, with this we can conclude that the A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but number of elements in A cross B will be equal to number of elements in B cross A. Clear children? Next, third question. They given if B cross A equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. They ask you to find the value of A and B. So, how we take this cross product? We will took the first element in the first set with each and every element in the second set. Generally in a ordered pair we have two numbers. The first number is always, first coordinate is always taken from the first set and the second ordinate is always taken from the second set. So, here first I will write this question again B cross A, because from that cross product only we are going to take the coordinates. First coordinate will belongs to which set? Here they have B. So, the first, each and every first element will belongs to the set B and each every second element will belongs to the second set A. Are you clear? Then minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 4, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4. So, after writing this given question B cross A, we need to write the set A and B. Here B set will belongs to the first element. First element in the cross product in the cross product B cross A. Then what are the first element we have? In the B cross A, what are the first element we have? Minus 2. Here we are having the first element as minus 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. So, I write the elements as a B set with minus 2, comma 0, comma 3. Are you clear? Students, are you clear how we take the B set? Then I am going to proceed with the A set. A means second element. In B cross A. So, what are all the second element we have? 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. So, we can conclude that A set as 3, 4. Are you clear, students? How we completed the third sum? They given B cross A. So, from that B cross A, each and every first element will belongs to the B set and each and every second element will belongs to the A set. If they given A cross B means we can take first element will belongs to A set, second elements will belongs to B set. Then I proceed with the fourth question of the exercise 1.1. If A, they given set as 5, 6, B 4, 5, 6, C 5, 6, 7. They ask you to show that A cross A will be equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So, you know intersection already you studied in the 9th standard itself. Intersection means we have to take the common element from both the sets. Which are all common element, we can take it as a intersection part. Here first I will write the given thing. A set 5, 6 and B set 4, 5, 6 and C set 5, 6, 7. After writing the given sets, we have to proceed with this proof. For that proof, they given as to prove A cross A will be equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. First I will take LHS part. Here LHS means left hand side. They given the LHS as A cross A to prove. So, what do you mean by A cross A? A set. With this A set we need to take a cross product. So, A set, we know the A set as 5, 6. With the A set, same again with the A set, we have to take a cross product and make it as a cross product as 5, 5 and 5, 6. Then with the second element 6, 5, 6, 6. Make this as equation number 1 because we need to prove. So, we have to take the LHS part as first equation and RHS part as second equation. Then I will take RHS. They given RHS as B cross B intersection C cross C. So, first I am going to take B cross B. With B set we need to take a cross product with B set. B set is 4, 5, 6 cross 4, 5, 6. take it as a cross product, we will get 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, which is B cross B. Then I am going to write C cross C. C set 5, 6, 7 cross again C set 5, 6, 7. With that, I am going to write the cross product for this C cross C. 5, 5 and 5, 6, then 5, 7. Then with the second element 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Then with the third element 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. After writing this B cross B and C cross C, we need to write the finish our RHS part. RHS part they given as B cross B intersection C cross C. So to find B cross B intersection C cross C. So I already told you, intersection part means we have to pick the common pair. So we have to check what are the common pairs we have. 4, 4 we don't have 4 here in the first coordinate. So we omit the first part. Then 5, 4 we don't have, but 5, 5 here we have 5, 5 common element. Then 5, 6 here also we have 5, 6 common pair. Then I will compare with the next pair. 6, 4 we don't have, but 6, 5 we have here 6, 5. 6, 6 also we have 6, 6. So by observing these two cross product, we can get 4 ordered pairs are common together. So we can write that as B cross B intersection C cross C as 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. Mention this as equation number 2. After mentioning that as equation number 2, we have to compare the first equation with the second equation. When you observe, both the ordered pairs are equal. So we can state that from 1 and 2, we can write that LHS will be equal to RHS, which shows A cross A will be equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. We proved this, hence proved. Children, are you clear with this sum? Question number 4, very easy only. Only we need to know the cross product. If we know the cross product means we can do the sum easily. Then I will move with our fifth question. Given A set 1, 2, 3 and B set 2, 3, 5 and C set 3, 4, and then again general we seen only 3 sets. Here they given the fourth set D 1, 3, 5. We need to check already how we check for fourth sum. Same like procedure we have to prove for fifth sum. We need to check A intersection C cross B intersection D will be equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. We have to check whether the given proof is true or not. Clear? So first I will write the given things with this set. With the set A set 1, 2, 3 and B set 2, 3, 5, then C set 3, 4, then D set 1, 3, 5. While writing elements, please be careful. If you change and write any one element in that set means your full answer will be make it as wrong. Clear? So first I will take this given thing what they ask you to prove. A intersection C cross B intersection D will be equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. I will take LHS, which is A intersection C cross B intersection D. First we have to find A intersection C. A set is 1, 2, 3 intersection C set 3, 4. So what are the elements we have common together? We have only the element 3 is common in both the set. Am I right? So I will write the intersection part as 3. Are you clear? Then we need to proceed with B cross D. Sorry, B intersection D equal to B set 2, 3, 5 intersection D set 1, 3, 5. While observing from these two set 2, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, which are the elements common together? 3 and 5 is common in both the set. So you can write 3, 5. Are you clear with this intersection part? A intersection C and B intersection D. Then I am going to proceed with this LHS part, which is A intersection B, A intersection C cross B intersection D. A intersection C is 3 cross B intersection D is 3, 5. After writing, I have to make it as a cross product. So write the cross product 3, 3, 3, 5. Mention this as equation number 1. Are you clear, students? So first we completed our LHS part. Then we have to proceed with this RHS. RHS they given you to find A cross B, RHS A cross B intersection C cross D. So in this cross product, first I am going to find A cross B. A set, which is 1, 2, 3, B set cross B set 2, 3, 5. Clear? Then I am going to find the cross product for this two set. Take the first element 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. Then second element 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Then third element 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. After finishing this A cross B, then I am going to proceed with our next C cross D, which is C cross D C set. What is our C set we have? C set is 3, 4 and D set is 1, 3, 5. So 3, 4 cross 1, 3, 5. We have to make a cross product for this C cross D. Take the first element 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Then the second element 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to find the intersection part for A cross B intersection C cross D. So in A cross B and C cross D, we have to observe what are the elements we have common together. While you observe here, we have this common element paras 3, 5 and 3, 3 and 3, 5. Here also we have common paras 3, 3 and 3, 5. I mentioned this as intersection part 3, 3 and 3, 5. Make this as equation number 2. So already in first equation also we get the same order pair, am I right? See, the first equation also we get the same order pair 3, 3, 3, 5. So same pair we get in the second equation. So we can state that from 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS A intersection C cross B intersection D will be equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. They told you to check whether it is true or false. So yes, we can state that yes, it is true. Are you clear with this exercise number 1.1 sums? Do you have any doubt with this? I think so everyone clear with this exercise. Only we need to know the Cartesian product, cross product. Thank you children. To receive our online lessons, you have to please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur.